Malolele, welcome to Week 9's PP for Assembly.
Can Emmanuel please come forward?
Good morning, students of Margaretese. Can we all just stand to say our karakia? Close your eyes, bow your heads. E te oriki, ngā tia mātou, mea mātou whānau, mō te reira. I promise that today I'll do my best, encourage others and never give up. I promise that I'll never give up on myself, my learning and on life. I promise this with all my heart. Amen.
Please remain standing for the national anthem.
Awesome evening, everyone.
Please be seated. I'd like to now call on Vice Diff to address the school.
Atamari Koto. It's actually Sunday afternoon where I am now, but just recording for our assembly Monday morning. Okay, great to see even more students back. Great to have you back. Loving your work on the new playground. Just being so sensible, and I can see you're having so much fun. Just keep letting our new children back and remind them just no pushing, no chasing. You can do that tag games anywhere else, but just not on the playgrounds. Also loving the work of our radio DJs, tuning into that most sessions. Yeah, great work. We'll keep working on how we can project the sound into our playground and how we can add music without breaking copyright. Term, yes, you'll be making an online book each, and your teachers now have access to Book Creator, so they're just getting their heads around how to make that work. But if you think you're a bit of a whiz, maybe you could ask to have a go, and maybe you can teach the teachers as well as your class. So the books don't have to be huge and long, just find a topic that's interesting to you, map out your storyline, and yeah, get creating. Looking forward to reading some of those before the end of the term. Tomorrow, or Tuesday, we have got some drills to practice. So we will practice our earthquake drill at the end of playtime and our fire drill at the end of lunchtime. Remember, stay calm and wait for adult instruction. So do the things that you know, and your teachers will remind you. But at the end of the day, it's nothing to worry about. You just need to follow the adult's instruction. In our newsletter, just that reminder about parent-student teacher conferences coming up in the last week of term. Make sure you're onto your learning pathways and that you have been working on your learner and whānau maps so that the teachers can learn more about you and your family can also learn more about you as a learner at school, and you'll be setting up your goals for term 3. Your written reports will be given to your parents at those conferences. So if they have any questions afterwards, they can come back and talk to your teacher another time. That is except for room 5. So Mrs. Hannah has had to go to hospital. She's had an operation just to help her feel a lot better. So that's good news. The operation went well, and we have Mrs. Barnell in room 5 at the moment till the end of the year. And Mrs. Hannah and Mrs. Barnell will organise the parent interviews for room 5 at a later time. You will have seen a bit of work happening at the front gate. We are getting those front gates automated, so that should make it safer for everybody down at that front gate, where the cars come in. Just remind your parents, can they please drop you off away from the school? Try not to come into the school grounds unless it's absolutely urgent. Drop you off so you can walk either over the crossing from Growers Lane up to Countdown across the crossing, or further down Yates Road into our school. Get a bit of exercise before you come to school each day. That would be fantastic. Okay, hope you have a great day and a great week. See you soon out and about. Take care.
Thank you, Fire Steph, for sharing those messages.
Can the stage stars please share out this week's PP4 album?
Thank you, Mr. Easthouse. Hopefully everyone will learn this week's focus.
Have a nice day at Bangladesh School. Have a good week of learning and enjoy your day. Thank you.